Ready, just remember that it's a professional thing, see? Remember, it's not about you, Jace. Just sit there and look good. Good afternoon. My name is Latanya Gentles. These are my two nephews. They are the only two nephews I have. I don't have any more nephews. See how handsome they are. I am a very active person. Every day I get up, I go running. I always run. Both of us run together. We run long miles. He's very good at football, and I was the one who taught him how to play the football and to, like, when it comes on to like taking care of them, their parents always leave them with me, so I am a very responsible person. I take care of them every day. I wash for them, I cook for them, I make sure that they get their bath, I look out for them and the dog as well. Jace, remember, it's a professional thing. So I always take Jabari to school, and whenever I don't take Jabari to school, I take Jace to school, or I pick them up and take them to karate club. So that's the type of responsibility that I have. As it concerns dress code, every time I get up in the morning, I do my makeup. I make sure that I am well dressed and beautiful every single day. I don't eat fast food. I don't eat KFC and hamburger. I only eat vegetables and fruits.
I eat fruits. Me too. I eat. And I eat lettuce.
Remember, this is not a hold on. I have to be quiet. Jabari's mother is away, so I usually. All right. So at this moment, Jabari look like he wants some water, and I'm the one who usually give them the water and everything. Jeez. Okay, so Jace has a little sister. Her name is Samantha.
I have no sister at all.
Jace, they don't have a sister. And whenever Samantha plays with Jace, he makes sure that he takes care of Samantha. And Jabari has an older sister. Her name is Latanya. All right, so thank you very much. And if we win the $1 million, we will make sure to give it to the poor. If we win the $1 million, we make sure to give it to the poor, because we are very kind people, right?
Yes.
And we won't spend any of it to buy toys or anything like that. Right? Okay, thank you.